Hi, my name is George Evans. I'm coming to you from Kaskaskia College. I'd like to take a few moments out of your day to thank our students, faculty, and staff for the amazing work they have done and for coming together in such a short period of time during the COVID-19 pandemic crisis. It is great to see so many people going above and beyond to work together to ensure that the mission of this institution, which is providing high-quality, affordable education, continues. I am so impressed with how everybody has worked together for the best benefit of our students. Please know that KC, we may be working remotely, but we're here for you. A couple of suggestions and additions that have come about due to this pandemic crisis. We have recently entered into an agreement with Tutor.com, a 24-hour a day, 7-day a week tutoring service that is provided to our students free of charge. Please check out our website if you're interested in receiving those services. In addition to that, we also launched the KC Connect, our mobile app. So when you have a few minutes, go ahead and go to your app store and download the KC Connect app. I guarantee you'll be pleased with the results. I also wanted to let you know that as a result of the COVID-19 shelter-in-place proclamation by the governor, Kaskaskia College will be postponing our commencement exercises. We are not canceling. We're simply postponing. All of our sophomores and those who have earned a credential have earned the right to walk across that stage, and I can promise you we will have a commencement exercise. As of right now, our tentative new date is July 10th, a Friday at 7 p.m. Please note that we take commencement very serious at KC. It is a rite of passage, and we are all looking forward to celebrating with you, our students, our faculty, and staff on July 10th at 7 p.m., where we can share your memories and your successes as we have for the last 45 years at this institution. In closing, I also wanted to say how humbling it has been to see the photos and the success stories of our alumni who are representing us out in the allied health field, the nursing field, the logistics and supply field, and the law enforcement field. You have made us proud. You are on the front lines of this pandemic, and you're representing Kaskaskia College with great pride. We are indebted to you, and we will never forget you. So please note, we are here for you at KC, because after all, we are KC. Take care, and God bless.